Step by Step by Benjamin Krem's Master. A Master Speaks, Volume 2, page 87. From time to time, we, your elder brothers, attempt to engage humanity in an understanding of the evolutionary process in which all are immersed, knowingly or not. To this end, we convey to disciples in whole or in part that teaching which we adjudge to be of value at that particular time, in broadening the minds of men and acquainting them with the knowledge which will lighten their journey. From now on, while this method of teaching will continue, Maitreya and his group will involve themselves more and more directly with the general public. Thus, humanity will see more clearly and appreciate more completely the connection between the teaching, more or less esoteric in nature, of the evolutionary process and the circumstances of their lives from moment to moment. A deeper understanding of the meaning and purpose of their lives and of the great laws which govern them will in this way be established. A great step forward by humanity as a whole can thus be expected. For disciples and initiates, the teaching will go forward in the usual way, during the hours of sleep, and that conveyed and published through certain disciples. With this exception, since the masters will work openly, more and more of the teaching will come directly from them. This, of course, will speed the process of learning and shorten the journey for disciples to a significant degree. Furthermore, the presence of the masters will help to obliterate the gulf which now exists between the disciples and the world of ordinary men. More or less all, on one level or another, will be engaged in a conscious journey of discovery and growing awareness of the magnitude of life. Thus will it be. So far, a blueprint only exists for this considerable shift in emphasis of the teaching methods used by us. But gradually, this blueprint will change into a living form from which all will benefit and grow. Maitreya will show men that every step they take to remake their world and to establish right human relations is a step on their journey to perfection. That the inner step for the disciple must be matched by the outer step of the man not yet engaged in the initiatory process. That all is an interrelated and integrated whole. Step by step, man makes his path at his own pace. Step by step, man moves from ignorance to knowledge, from injustice to justice, from slavery to freedom. In all such endeavors, there will be times when progress seems slow and unlikely, but man will grow in confidence and trust and learn the method of step by step. His innate divinity, lost now in materialism and commercialization, will blossom anew under the teaching of Maitreya and his group. Man will come to know himself as the creative source of all his needs.